be sharing our group project with you. Now, first of all, let me introduce to my group members. First is Apurva, Bhakti, Vismay, Shraddha, and Dhruvin. That is me. And we have named our group the Ace of Data. So let's begin with the project. So, what is the background motivation for this? As recent event occurs globally, the big pandemic happened in past 2 years. Many large and small scale businesses has been shut down. Many lost their jobs, but the IT industry is the one of the industry that has been consistent because many people saw an opportunity and few also upscale themselves. Work from home was introduced and this was like a boon to many people as well as companies. This is an era of digitalization. Data is the most important factor and hence IT sector will be proceeding towards new opportunities further. So the problem statement that we have tried to solve is to get some insights on how IT sector is growing in different technologies and departments. Also, what are the various types of employment opportunities in are there in the market depending on experience, technology, salary, and etc. The the project now we have project proposal. So we have some analysis on the trends and patterns of job opportunities in the IT sectors of a country that can be useful to understand which technology or job experiences are useful to grab a position in a company. So the data set that we have taken is from the Kaggle, which is an online source. The author is Parul, and we have taken a little bit of code reference from that. So let's talk about our data description. Uh, in this data, we have dataset has anonymous salary survey in EU region for the recent 2 years. It includes categorical and numerical data. You can see numerical data, there are age, years of experience, salary. Then in categorical data, there is gender, seniority level, technical languages, etc. Now let's do some exploratory data analysis (EDA). So how the data was collected. So an anonymous survey has been conducted annually since 2015 among European ITs, especially which is strongly focused on Germany. This year, many volunteered to participate in this survey, and the data has also been made publicly to the people. An accompanying article related to this has also been published, which goes deeper into findings. You can find this here by clicking on this link IT Salary Survey December 2020. So, the main thing, the data that is highly correlated with each other in this project is who lost their job according to their seniority level. So, as you can see, there have been very less number of jobs which have been lost by the different seniority level. We can see the only senior who total number of people from 0 to 25 between, they have only lost their job. The rest of them are haven't lost their job. These are some primary visualization of data. The first one is different age participants. We can see different number of age groups who are participating. These are the gender participants and the top 5 city on survey, which was Berlin, Munich, Frankfurt, Hamburg, and Cologne. These are the different job positions which were which have been listed in and which have been entered by the user in data. These are the different seniority levels: senior, lead, middle, junior, head, director, and so on. Now let's talk about data transformation and cleaning. So now the data is not always how we want in terms of solving some problems. So we have some made some manipulation for the better understanding. There can be a problem in visualizing the data. uh, you don't have proper column name, format, and data type. So we have changed a little bit to make you understand better. So let's talk about data analysis. In this we have answered some answers to the individual analysis questions we have tried. So first one is how much experience does an employee have with the respective senior level. So as we can see, the C level seniority following with principal, head, and lead. The least experience are students and juniors. The second question is how much salary is earned by the seniority level of the employee. So as from the graph we can see that The salary for C level is around 140,000 euros, which is earned by C level seniority. The minimum is below 20,000 euros earned by students, and the mid range is between 40,000 and 120,000 euros earned by majority of the employees. The next question was, which are the most popular top 5 technologies contributing to the growth of IT sector? As from the graph, we can see that Python, JavaScript, Java, TypeScript, PHP, these are the main top 5 technologies which has been contributed to the growth of the IT field. The another thing, how many employees lost their jobs in top 5 cities of the European Union, EU? The top 5 cities are like Berlin, Munich, Frankfurt, Hamburg and Cologne. Many people sustained their jobs during pandemic. Only a few in city of Berlin and Munich lost their jobs. So now what are the top 20 positions in the IT field? So according to the data and what we have visualized here, considering top 20 position in IT companies, many employees are at software engineers position, whereas least number of employees are at position of product analyst. Rest are shown in the visualization. These So what is the position of employee in a company with respect to their age? So by looking at the graph, you can see that the employees in the age group around 40 to 50 hold positions like Scrum Master, Consultant, SAP Consultant, Sales and Software Architects. So to see the previous visualization code, you can scan this QR code to look how we have transformed the data into a visualization. Now let's look at the Tableau dashboard that we have created, which will provide you a better view understanding. So here there are technical languages. You can see top 5 technical languages: C Sharp, C++, Java, PHP, Python. So now let's take a look on Python, the top technology. So we can see who uses the Python. So the data scientists, ML engineers, software engineers, QA engineers, backend they uses mostly this type of position mostly used Python. And the salary, yearly salary in Python is high in the senior level. The years of experience is also high in senior level. So and the least experience in PHP we can see there are only 3 positions: software engineer, backend developer, and SRE. And the salary is also high at senior level. You can see that. Now let's talk about the other thing. These are the positions, different cities, who people lost their jobs, how many males and females are there. So as we can see, let's talk about first males. How many males have lost their jobs? As you can see, there are not very much. There are very few amount of males who has lost their job in different positions. And there are when we talk about female, there is also the same, that very few amount of female have lost their job according to the seniority level. When we talk about the positions in female, we can see there are high number of data scientists are there in a female category, whereas in male category there are high number of software engineers. When we talk about different cities, now let's talk about Berlin. In Berlin, we can see there are software engineers, backend developer, data scientists are there. Very few number of people have lost their job in Berlin also. So as you can see, you can play around with this and have a look at it and come to your own conclusion. But first of all, let's look at our conclusion, what we have seen. So according to the total years of experience, the level of seniority increases and so does the salary. Top technologies in IT companies like Python, Java, etc. can be used to upscale themselves to sustain in the field. IT industry could be seen as one of the reliable industry, as not many people lost their jobs during pandemic. Employees having technical skills are more in number at positions like software engineers, backend developer, and data scientists, etc. So from this data set and visualization, we can recommend that a student or a new joiner could learn the data set and latest technologies like Python and Java. They could also be team lead by an experienced employee to understand how the industry works exactly. And this also might lead to reliable and growing career path in the cities like Berlin, Munich, Frankfurt, etc., earning up to 140,000 euros salary in later stages of life, or might be even more in the future. So these are some citations The data set we have collected from the Kaggle. The code reference is from these three top sites, Tutorials Point, Kite, and Kaggle. So we have, yeah, thank you. This is all we have. And if you want to see the whole code, how we have done the project, you can click on this GitHub link and you can see the whole process and how we have visualized and done the project. Thank you.